So now, yesterday we discussed about the TAI portal, right? Total Integration Automation Software. That is a version 18 is available. Now I'll take the program with our controller, okay, PLC. That PLC number, the 1200 series, okay, it is 1200 series, CPU 1200. In the 1200 series, the so many versions will be available. So our controller is 1215, okay, 1215 FC, okay, FC means it's a safety PLC, okay, safety PLC. This PLC only we are going to be configure and download with one LED I connected and show the output, okay. So that is the thing, right? So now I share the screen. You are able to see or not, just type it, okay, because camera I am starting. Camera you are seeing? Camera okay or not able to see? Camera okay or not? No. Camera okay or not? Nobody is typing. Then only. Yes. Okay now. Now you see a full screen. I will make it full screen. You see, this is the controller. That I told. This is the controller. This controller, this is the Ethernet port. We are going to be connect. Okay. So now I will take the cable. This is the Ethernet cable. Okay. This Ethernet cable just I will connect. Okay. This Ethernet cable I connected, right? Understood or not? This is the PLC. Now you see the series number. You see Symantec 1200 series. The correct number is, this is the number. You see CPU, this number here. You see CPU number is 1215 DC. Okay. Then these are the output. You see here digital output. That digital output just I connected to one lamp, one LED I connected. Okay. This is the way we have to make this the setup. Okay. Now you see this is the entire PLC, the network. This is our PC. This is our screen. Okay. Got it or not? So this the only I am going to write a program and show to you how to do it. Understood or not? Yes or no? So you are able to see something or not? We are going to be connect. Okay. Camera you are seeing this. Okay, it is 1200 series. CPU 1200. In the 1200 series, the so many versions will be available. So our controller is 1215. Okay, 1215 FC. Okay, FC means it's a safety PLC. Okay, safety PLC. This PLC. Okay. Screen sharing okay? Okay. Screen sharing okay? Yes sir. Okay. Now you see. Now I minimize. Okay, minimize. I will take a notepad. Screen. Here, that how we are making that system, you see. Just only this is your Ethernet switch, right? Ethernet switch. Then I will connect Ethernet cable. Then it will be connected to our PLC. This is our PLC. 1200 series. Okay, 1200 series CPU. Siemens 1200 CPU series. That actual number is 1215. Okay, 1215 is note down. Okay, 1215 FC. That is a controller. Then this is my PC. This PC also is connected to here. Then it will be this PC you are getting the internet. Okay, so now I load the TAA software, Total Integration Automation Software. You have to use this TAA software just to configure the PLC. You can configure this PLC Then you write a program. Just I will write one simple program like this. Okay, like this. If close the switch, the lamp is on. So now this particular point, okay, this particular PLC here, I will connect it to one lamp. Lamp is connected. Okay, positive and negative is connected. Now this lamp address, just you can write one simple program. This you have to download to the PLC and it will be on. So this is your field instrument, right? Field instrument. This your RTU, okay, RTU. That network is a Ethernet, TCP IP protocol you can use. TCP IP protocol. Normally this they are telling as a Profinet. Okay, Profinet. Profinet. This is the protocol. Got idea? So this is the way we are going to write a program. So now this software, you see, TA, this is the software. This software. You can use this software, configure this PLC and write a program, download and show to you how it's working. Got it or not? Now one thing you have to do it. So this is the Ethernet based, right? Ethernet based means you have to assign the IP address. Now my system IP address is 200. Okay, 200 dot. I will check it. Okay, go to the command prompt. Say select CMD. IP config. IP config. So this IP config is. Now what is IP? Is a 193. See this IP address. IP address of PC. PC IP address that you have to assign. 193. 200 dot is 193, right? Understood or not? Then the PLC also you can assign one IP address. Now I am going to assign the PLC IP address 200. Okay, 200 dot 191. I am going to assign 191. So then using this PC, you have to download this entire information to the controller. So this is the IP address of my PLC. This is the IP address of my PC. Got idea? I think so. Any doubt? Any doubt for this basic configuration? Any doubts, sir? No doubt. Got it or not? Any doubts, sir?
After inventory, I take 2 times, right?
Any doubts?
One time give
You are able to follow or not?
Jangir and another.
Sir, you type it because network issue is there. That's why I am asking frequently. Somebody is typing only, I know whether it's working or not. You are able to see the screen? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So frequently, at least one person you have to type it. Okay. So that's why, because otherwise I am not able to understand whether you are able to see or not. Okay, this is the thing. Right. So this setup we are going to make. Now you see. Now we made this one. You see TAA portal. Just you select the TAA portal here. Just double click. Okay, double click.
Me and E also an enter. Maybe you mistake here.
Okay.
Paper I give Jangir.
So then the software will be open, right? So create new project. Just to go to the create new project.
New paper make and then.
There, okay, create new project. Just to click this window. You can give the project name, right? Project name. IAD 101. IAD. Okay, anyway, project 1, PR1. PR1 I'll give. Then create. Create. Then that will be created. Okay. Project is created. Okay. So after that, after creating this project, you have to add the device. So better you go to the project view here. Just you can click this project view. From here itself you can add, otherwise you go to project view. Then this window will come. Okay. Now we have to add a new device. Okay. Don't forget we have to add a new device. Just to double click. Okay. So then these are the controller sheets available. You see already yesterday also told. This is the controller. This is the HMI panel. This is your PC system. Now we can add the controller. So our controller is a 1200 series, right? 1200 series. Then you select this 1200 series, expand, then CPU, again you expand. These many CPUs are there. Okay. These many CPUs. You see, 1211 is there, right? 1211 is there, 1212 is there, like the 14. Now our one is 1215 FC. This is the controller. 1215 FC. This is my controller, already shown through camera, right? Expand. Now here you see this is the number. This is my controller hardware. This hardware, that information, the maximum informations will be displayed to here. More information, better you can download using this particular part number and check full information. That PDF file is available. If you want, I can download and upload to our LMS. Okay, that also you can watch it. This is the controller. This is the operating system version. So yesterday here you can maybe see only for the 4.2, right? Now the 4.5 is there. So because version 4.3 and above only OPC UA concept, the SCADA interfacing will be supporting. 5.2 version 4.2 will not support. So that's why we are going for 5.5. Okay. So this operating system already is loaded. We can use version 4.5 operating system for this controller. Okay. Like that, so many versions will be there. You see, select here version 4.1 like that. This is operating system version loaded the particular PLC, right? Now I'll select the last one. Then you select this particular controller. Then press OK. That's all. First you select the CPU, right? This one. Right? Put it on. Yes. It's taking, okay. So this is SSD hard disk, memory system. Okay. Now, so why this window will come means this actually is a safety PLC. Okay, safety PLC. So the safety PLC means we need some digital acknowledgement. So then only he is allowed. Now I can remove all the safety features. So because you want to communicate free. Okay, so that's why I remove all the protection purpose. Otherwise we can ask the digital certificate. Then if the digital certificate okay, then only it will be open. So that is a complete security policy. Now you see, I will remove this one. I am not setting up any password. Just I will remove it. Okay, testing purpose, remove it. Then next you'll go for next option. Click here. Here you see only allow secure communication. No, without secure communication as I allowed. If you this yes means again you can get the digital certificate. Then after that both the end you have to enable the digital certificate. Then only is allowed to the download, right? Now I remove the communication. The next option you see default it's a no access. Nobody can access. Now I will give to the full access to anyone. No protection, right? So that's why I remove all the safety related things. Okay, safety anyway we'll discuss. So now I'll remove it, finish it. That's all. So once you can assign the CPU, so he'll be asked for all the information. Now without any protection, I will connect the controller. So this is the left side you see project tree. This is my PLC. Okay. Now already I told we are planning to assign the IP address, right? IP address. This network, what is the IP address of this PLC? Already I told. What is the IP address of PLC we are going to be assign? Tell me, just type whether you are able to see or not. What are the IP address we are planning to assign the controller? Please. Astos is typing. Very good. 191. Right. Very good, sir. Very good, sir. You see. Now this IP address we have to assign. How to do it? You can here just right click. Okay, left side. You come back to left side. Okay, left side here. Just right click. Okay, right click. Or here also double click. No problem. This window. This is the Ethernet port. Okay, Ethernet port. Here also you can double click. So better you go to just right click and properties. You see properties. The next window will come. This is the window will come. Okay, this is the window. Now you see this window. Here the options are available. Select here general information about this CPU, all information. Now you go to Profinet. Already I told this the Ethernet based Profinet. Then expand. Here you see general information and Ethernet address. Very careful, you see Ethernet address. Now default Ethernet address is 192.168.0.1. So if you want, you can use the default address. Then that network should be the same network. For example, this network already I told you, it's a network address means 192.168.0.0. That is the network for the default thing. Now we are planning to make new network. Okay, so what is the network? This now we are planning to one network. This is my network. This network address is 200.200.0. That is the network address. In this network, so many PC and PLCs are available. You assume that. Now, one of my system, this is my PC. Okay, this is my PC. This is my PLC. This is my PLC. Okay, PLC. Now, what is the address we are going to assign this PLC address? Because that will be this network. This is a network address. Don't confuse. Okay, this is a network address. That's why yesterday I told. Okay, 0 is the network address. 255 last is 255 is the broadcast address. What is the purpose of this broadcast address? Using this address. Okay, using this, you can send information to all these network devices. That is the possible. Okay. Now, what is my PC address? Tell me. 200. Okay, 200.193. Right, 193. This address, the PLC address already you know is a 200.200.200.191. So then this address we have to assign to here. So just you can click this particular area 200.200.191. Okay, that is the address I assigned. Press OK. Come back and press OK. That's all, sir. Okay, that is the first step. You assign the IP address. Right? My system IP address already you know very well is a 193. Now my PLC IP address is 191. Clear? Any doubt, any confusion? This is the basic step. Very basic step. I hope you understood, right? Yes. Then you see next case. Next case we'll see the network area. Okay, networking area. So here we will make a network. That how to make a network? That also you go to here and network you will go. Otherwise you can double click this network area here. This you have to make a network. Here, device and network. Just double click. This window will come. Now you see this is my PLC. This PLC will make the Ethernet network. Okay, so that is the add subnet. Just right click or double click. Okay, double click. Here you can add the network view. Network view. Just right click. Okay, right click the device. Add subnet. Just click this add subnet. Then this will come. This area will come. This is the network. In this network, default my system is assigned. Okay, this is my PLC. Okay, PC already assigned. So both in the same network. Then how to add the control panel, HMI panel, that next class we will discuss. Okay, so now we can communicate only PC to PLC download. That is the thing. HMI panel next I will explain. Okay, don't want to confuse too much. Okay, now this under one network, that network name, that is for the this entire 200, that is a 200 range, that is IP network address. This PLC and this PC is having the separate network, right? This PC. So that network name is, this is the network name, PNE. Okay, PN underscore IE. Okay, IE underscore 1, right? That is the network for this two PC. Like that, if you want, you can add another PLC. That also it will be communicated to this network. That means this is separate network. This is the total 200 range network. Out of this network, only PLC and control network separately we have to manage. Understood or not? So that's why add subnet. That subnet address is this one. So here the same name automatically will come. You see, same name. Save the project. Don't forget you have to save the project. Understood or not? Any confusion or any doubt in this area, please? Any doubt? I hope you understood. I am going to very slow. You got very slow. No doubt, right? No doubt. Any doubt, just type me. Okay. Once again repeat it because this is the hardware. You don't have the hardware. So only through I communicate through webcam only you are able to see. Okay. So that I will run small program, a digital program, then easily understood. Right. Minimize. Now save. All the projects are saved. Now we are going to be write a program. So if you see our step 7 software, okay, OB1 is there, organization block 1. Okay, step 7 software. Here also that organization block, that is called a program. Left side you see project tree, program blocks. Just a double click or expand this one, program block. Now you see this option, main block. Just a double click, then another window will go open. Another tab. So all the tabs are coming to this down window. You are able to see here. You see that window will come. You see this is the overview tab. This is the device tab. This is your programming tab. Understood or not? Suppose if you want to minimize, here the option they provide. You see left side, right side. You see minimize. Just minimize, it will be gone. Otherwise, if you want to open, click here. Okay, this corner. Because now everything in the single window. Maybe you are feel that it's not like step 7 software. Step 7 software means each and every object separate window will be open. Here separate tab. Okay, separate tab will be opens. That's all. Okay, understood or not? That's the thing. Now this is my programming area. Right side. Okay, right side all our program instructions are available. Okay, now we'll go to the bit instruction, simple bit instruction. Just select bit instruction, expand. Okay. Expand. Just click means automatically. Okay, expand. Right. Just to drag. Just otherwise double click. You see double click, it will come. Then on coil you double click. Okay. So now I will assign for one switch. Soft switch. Soft switch means internal bit. That internal bit address. Just you can give one name. Soft switch. Soft switch internal bit underscore SW1 soft switch is a tag name. In this tag, okay, just right click, define tag. I have to assign for some memory bit m percentage m 0.0. It's a boolean assigned. Right. Next you see, just I will share the screen. You see the screen. Turn the camera. The camera okay? You are able to see the camera? Turn off. Camera is okay, sir? Okay, full screen. I will make full screen. You see. This is the CPU. Now you see here address. You can carefully watch it. So some people you are having. So now you see output. Right. This is the output address. You see 24 volt output. Right. Output address. Now you see DO, that lamp. This LED. You see this LED. You see this LED, red color wire. This LED. Which point is connected? Check. Tell me. You are able to see this one? Which points are? You see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that the numbers are available. You see these are the numbers, right? This 4 plus and minus is the power supply. Okay, power supply. Then tell me where it is connected. At least you try to know where it is connected. The lamp is connected to which point? Which points are? Just I will, okay. Which point is connected? Nobody is typing. Which points are? 3. Third point. Yes, third point. Correct. It's a third point is connected. Once again, so those who are not seeing, you see it. Okay, I will take all. Okay, don't worry. I will take you.
Who told you?
Now it's good, I think. Understood or not? This is the cable. This is the CPU number. Okay, CPU number. More information are also available. You see, more information. So that's why I told better you can download the data sheet. So if you are engineer, you must refer the manual to all the controllers. So any product, for example, field instrument or PLC or DCS or anything, just you can refer the manuals. So all the textbook they are providing on the basic knowledge. So how to measure the manuals, refer the manual, that is mandatory. Okay, that's mandatory. Okay, now you only told, right?
Last,
Third
last
point.
7, right?
Okay, third point. So that's the thing.
Last update.
I stop this screen. Screen sharing okay. Now screen sharing is ready, right? Now I stop the camera. Screen sharing is okay.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Right. Now you see that address we have to give here. That you told is connected to third point. Digital output third point, right? Digital output third point. That address how to give. Then that address how we know. You go to the PLC. Just to select the PLC. Okay. Device. Here. Now you can open this one. You see. Very careful. You see. This. You see. Here IO tag is there. IO tag. Just to select the IO tag. Here the all address they provide. See here. This is the address.
Very clear.
IW64, IW66, QW64, QW66. This is for analog input. This is for analog output. W means it's our word, right? Word. Then this is for digital input. Digital input. Right? Then next one is digital output. Digital output. Digital output. Sorry, okay. Understood or not? Very careful. I am going to very slow. Any confusion, just ask me, okay? This is input, analog input, okay? Analog input. This is analog output address. Then this is digital input address. Then this is digital output address. My question is, how many digital inputs, how many digital output, how many analog input, how many analog output? Tell me. This CPU, okay, CPU 1215, okay, how many analog input, how many analog output, how many digital input, how many digital output? Tell me. See, 2 analog input, right? Question understood or not? Question understood or not? Just you can see and tell me. Just you see 2 analog input, right? 2 analog input, 2 analog output, right? 2 analog outputs. Then 0 to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 inputs, right? 14 digital input. Then 0 to 7, that means 8, 9, 10 digital output. That's the thing. So this module, this single module, okay, this single CPU module along with 2 analog input, 2 analog output, 14 digital input and 14 digital output is supporting. So suppose maybe you are thinking that sir, above this is supporting or not. So that's why I told better if your time is there, you can download this PDF and you can check. If you want, you can add the module also again. You see, you can use this module and add it. So maximum how many IO points are digital input, analog input, or digital output, analog output support. You can read the CPU data sheet and clearly they have to mention maximum this much of input output points supporting. Understood or not? Yes or no? Yes or no, sir? Please. Got it? Yes. Very good, very good. Now, third point is connected to my LED, right? LED's output or input. That lamp is input or output? LED. Output. Okay, then that output point is 3. Now, I'll show once again the screen. Tell me the address. Tell me the address, where it is connected. Where it is connected. What is the address? Tell me, anybody? Q 0.3. right? Q 0.3. You see, this is the thing. You see, this is your 0th point. This is your first point. Now, our lamp is connected to this address. Understood or not? This is the thing. And this address is percentage. Okay, percentage. Very good, sir. Percentage. Q means it's output. 0 means what is mean by 0? Tell me what is mean by 0? Tell me. What is mean by 0? 0 means the 0th zeroth byte. Very good, sir. That's all, sir. 0th byte and third bit. That's all. That means includes 0, 1, 2. Now my LED is connected to this is the my address. Now you write a program. If close the switch, I want switch on this lamp. Then you can give the lamp, right? Lamp. So then you go back to the program. Okay, I'll go back. Okay, go back. Then this is the main program. Like the main program. Right? Now here we can put the address lamp or LED. LED1. Okay, LED1 enter. Just right click. Otherwise direct address also no problem. You can assign. Define tag. Okay. Now here same option. You see, you go to the selection this address. What is the address? It's output address. Okay. Select this arrow mark. Select. It's an output address. Global output address. Percentage Q 0.3. That's all, sir. Now we assign this address. Then define the tag. Matter over. That's all. You see. So all the information we assigned. This is my soft switch. This is my lamp. Suppose external, if you want, you can connect to the push button. That address we can give. That address how to give? You can give percentage. Okay, percentage I. That 14 points are there, right? That 14 point, any one of the address where the switch is connected, that address you can give. Understood or not? This is the 0th byte. So total 8 switch is 1 byte. Remaining 6 switch for another byte. So that's why that address information, it is available to the corresponding controller tag. Corresponding controller tag. That is the thing. That's all, sir. Here. Right? Input address. This is the input address. Input switch. For example, if you connected to push button, you can connect that push button address. That's all. Right? Any doubt? Any doubt? Save the project. So after saving the project, you have to compile the project. Compilation. Okay, compiling the project. Compiling the project. So better always, if you go to Siemens controller, here once again you can compile. You got the left side. Just you see. Just select. If you create new project, better you go for just right click. You see compile option. First hardware rebuild all. You can build all the whatever configuration you did. You can compile all. Okay, you see here you can check that information 0 error and 0 warning. Then after that, one warning is there. Okay, one warning. Then just right click. After that, compile software rebuild all. So any software error is there means here it will be show. Your program error or anything it will be show. Okay, you see here it's compiling. So all the block, because this safety PLC it will be show all the information. Okay, so now here normal PLC means not this much compilation. Okay, this one. Here error is there. You see error 0 and warning 0. It's okay. Then hardware compilation okay. Software compilation also it's okay. Now you have to download to the corresponding PLC. Okay, so that how to do it. Next you see. Be careful. Okay, you go to the left side. Always better first time you go to the left side. Select. Okay, select. You see download option is the download option. Download, don't hardware and software only changes. You can download first time hardware configuration full. If you click this one, only hardware configuration, all hardware configuration will be downloaded. Just I click it. Okay, just I will click it. Then it will come. You see, this is my assigned IP address, right? PLC IP address. This is my subnet network. Okay, network we made. This is my Ethernet card. It's a Intel Ethernet card. Then here you have to select the subnet, the same subnet mask, whatever we are creating, that will be coming. You see, PN_1. Okay, this is the thing. This is the thing. It will come. Then you have to search this option. Start searching. It will be searching. Yes, you see, this the PLC is available. Understood or not? Now I select this one and download. Select this one. You see, load. He is asking for some trust certificate. Already I told, is the digital certified information. Now I remove all the digital certificate download option is removed. Okay, so that is for full certificate and everything you have to make it. That is a lengthy step. Okay, so then I remove one. So now consider is a trust relation. Yes. Then he is downloading. The first time downloading, you have to stop all the programs and all the options. Then we have to download. You see here, first always you can stop all, then load again. Load. Now he is loading. Okay. After loading, just you can start the module, right? Start the module, finish it. You'll be starting. Yes. Right. So now you see download and module start. Now you check the output. Okay, check the output. How to do it? You see here online option is there. Okay, so then automatically it will go to this online option. Right. Now here monitor option is there. So this is the monitor. Same like step 7 also some specs is there, right? Like this. Specs is there. This is the monitor. Okay. Monitor. Yes. Go offline once again. Save, compile, download. Okay. Continue without synchronization. Download. Better you can stop all and download once again. So because first time downloading means everything you have to download. Otherwise something is not downloaded means it's a problem. Okay, finish. Start module, it will be finished. Yes. It will take some small time. 1 minute. Online. Now you see monitor. Just monitor this one. Yes, it will work. This is my program. This simple program. You see, very simple program. If close the switch, you see right click, modify to 1. Modify to 1. Now you see the lamp is on. Then modify to 0. Lamp is off. Now I will open the camera. You are able to see the lamp. Okay, just a minute. I will share the camera. Just a minute. Camera on. Start sharing. So now you see this LED. Okay, LED is on. Now I have to right click, modify to 1. modify it to 0. Now you see it's off. LED is off. This one. This is LED, right? LED off. Now just a minute, I will focus it. Right. This is a lamp. Now you select the program. Just right click. Select that instruction. Right click. Modify it to 1. Now you see it's on. Understood or not? Now it's on. And right click, modify it to 0, it's off. Then if you put it a timer after 10 seconds, that output will be on off. That's all. Understood or not? Got it? Right? Single bit. Any doubt? Any doubt? See the program symbol. So now if you want, you can modify any project. Just you see, go offline. Then you can modify. You can add timer. Just to select section. Then left side, bit in section. Okay. Here, CPU instruction. Here, left side. Here, all the tabs are available. You see, here that option is there. Instruction. Select instruction. Here, timer and all those things are available. You see, extended technology, PID controller, then timer instruction. You see, timer instruction. On delay timer, you take it like that. On delay timer, then you can assign the time value. Then it will be work. If close down, after that only it will be work. Understood or not? So any doubt for this basic information? Any doubts? Any doubt? Any doubts or no doubt? Okay. So one option is there, one problem is that you see. So the while downloading, already I told that IP address, right? You see this IP address minimize. Go to the process. This IP address, you see, this IP address we assigned while creating this one. So for example, how we can assign this information to the new PLC? That also is there, right? So new PLC, all the PLC, they are having the MAC address. Yesterday also I told, the media access control address, there is fixed one. Based on this, it will become, and here some option is there, you see. You go to the diagnosis, this one, diagnosis option. Here, this one, online and diagnosis option is there. Just a double click. Okay, double click. Here you see functions, function. In that function, you have to assign the IP address option is there. You see, assign the IP address. Just double click. Then you can accessible device. After you are making the network, this accessible device will come. Just you can click this one. Automatically, he will fetch the value from this particular network. TN network. Search. You see, this is the thing. So this 205 is there. You see 205. That 205 is another PC. So in this network, one person they are using the PC. That is a PC address. Now, this is my PLC address. For example, default some XYZ address will be there. So then using this MAC address, some XYZ come. Then you can assign, because once you create the project, this will be load. Apply means overwrite. This old address will be gone and that your new address will be updated. That's all, sir. That's all. How to do it? Once again, I show to you. Don't confuse. You go to the new PLC, make a network with the physical connection. After that, go to the online and diagnosis button. Just a double click. Then here this window will come. Then PLC also should be in run mode. Okay, run mode means it should be power on. Then you can go to the function. You click this option hyphen. Then you can click accessible device. Using that MAC address, automatically fetch that one. Here some other address will be there. That address you can replace. So now already assigned. So that's why here that 191 will be shown. Otherwise you can use for this assign IP address also should be enabled. You have to type the IP address. Then same press the button. This whatever you are typing, this will be automatically assigning. That's all, sir. That's all. That's all. You select start search. Select this controller. Okay, select this controller, then apply. Okay, you see here that MAC address automatically it will be reached to here. Then you can type the IP address, whatever you want IP address, then assign IP address. This IP address will be fixed for your PLC, new baby, new PLC you have to assign. That's all, sir. That's the thing. The basic network, how to assign the IP address, how to download, everything I showed to you, okay? You go through once again this video slowly, then we will make HMI panels, okay? Now instead of this one, we will go to the network area, this network, okay, overview, this is my network area. This network area, we have to add one control panel, okay? In that control panel also separate IP address. For example, this IP address is 191, right? 191. This if you want, you can assign for 192. In this control panel, we make a button. So once you can press the button, this program will be activated, then LAN will be there. That is called a SCADA HMI interface. Okay, so that is the next step. What is SCADA? Everything you explain. After that, I would do that. Okay, so in our project we have to do with some digital as well as we have to make one analog input also. So you have to generate value from 0 to 100 or 0 to 50 or anything you generate. This value also you can modify through control panel, then you get idea. Now you write a program in the RTU controller side, how to control the field device, you know only digital. Like that we go for the SCADA side, how to interface, what is SCADA, how to interface, that will make it. Then after that we can push the data to cloud. Got it or not? So for example, this same data we have put it in your cloud. Cloud is not AWS, Microsoft Azure, like that. If you can, I will develop that program and put it to here. You can access that cloud through your mobile or laptop. Just you can press the button. This lamp should be on. That also it's possible. So that step I will explain how to do one by one. So I will give the link. That link you can browse it. So you can press your mobile. Here this lamp is on. So at a time only one person only, because I remove all the protection. It can switch on. That path, how it will be work, I will upcoming classes we will discuss. I hope you understood. So slowly only I am going. Our intention is you have to understand all the basic concept, then we'll go for the next level. Any doubts or any doubt? Any doubts? Any doubts? No doubts, sir. Okay. So you go through the video once again, because you don't have card. The simulator sometimes work. The simulator, whatever you are doing, the step 7 simulator or this TA simulation, almost the same. Okay. This information you can practice hardware only, you get a good ideas. So hardware means any difficult. So if you go to Siemens PLC or Siemens controller, compared to all controllers, it will little bit costly. Okay. That's maintenance also difficult. So that's, but the controller is very nice controller compared to all other controllers. Siemens having very good market. Okay, market as well as having so many blocks. Right. Okay. Surya, today I sorry for this delay. Okay. So because of one place I got a network. Usually I am taking classes there only. So after 4, I think near 4 or 450, 350 to 4, the network is failed in that room particular. So then I shift the PC to the next room. Then I make it arrange for this PLC. Then again problem is there. Okay. So that's why delay. So no problem. We'll cover all the topic. Don't worry. Okay, some people is not joined the WhatsApp group. Those who are interested, you can join the WhatsApp group. I will send once again. Okay, so you forgot yesterday to send. I will send to once again. You can join. Any doubts are today? This enough, I think so. Okay. Now, then Monday, Tuesday also is the Puja holiday. Next class may be on Wednesday only. Okay, Wednesday. So because Saturday, Sunday and Dasara holiday, right? Dasara holiday. We are going to our native places. Okay. Right. So then